A strange bug on iPhone caused photos that you had deleted long ago to reappear in the gallery. The bug has already been resolved by Apple, but it has sparked controversy because some individuals allege that Apple is not truly erasing the photos you have deleted. Nevertheless, Apple has reaffirmed on multiple occasions that they do not possess any means to access your photos or any of your files. According to what is discussed in slightly more technical terms, the error occurs when you delete photos from the Files app and then the operating system doesn't correctly handle the references to these photos independently. Typically, in operating systems, when you delete a photo or a file in general, the system simply stops indexing and referencing that there is something there, although it may not necessarily be completely deleted until another file occupies that same space. So, a severe bug was causing these types of issues and has been fixed with the iOS update that took 17 hours, 5 minutes, and 1 second. However, it has definitely been one of the most embarrassing bugs in history. The fact that it happened to Apple makes it even more embarrassing. I don't think we've seen anything similar, not even in Xiaomi. This bug and its resolution have been a significant event in the tech world. There is quite a controversy surrounding all this that happened, as many users were reporting that photos they had deleted since 2021 were reappearing, not necessarily in the Files app, but directly in the iPhone's Photos app. In the release notes of the most recent iOS version, Apple mentioned that this update offers significant bug fixes and deals with a rare problem where photos that experience database corruption could potentially reappear in the photo library, even if they had been previously deleted. According to Apple, this is an error in the iPhone's database. However, others argue that Apple still has access to the photos you have deleted from your device despite their apparent removal.